Now we will go to problem. Find the angle between two lines represented by 2x square minus 3xy minus 6y square is equal to 0. Here, solution. We know that formula for finding angle between two straight lines in terms of by cos theta is there, sin theta is there, tan theta is there. Anyone we can take. We will take tan. Given combined equation is 2x square, I will write here, 2x square minus 3xy minus 6y square is equal to 0. By comparing with ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and 2h is equal to minus 3. That implies h is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. By using these three values, we can find. By taking tan theta is equal to, we know that if theta is the angle between two lines, then tan theta is equal to, already we proved that 2 root h square minus ab by mod of a plus b. Therefore, by interpreting the substitute the values, 2 into h square, what is h? Under root minus 3 by 2 whole square minus ab, what is a? 2 into minus 6 by mod of a plus b. That means 2 plus minus 6. By simplification, we will write 2 root of minus 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4 minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12 by 2 plus minus 6 is minus 4. Okay. Therefore, that implies tan theta is equal to 2 under root, by taking LCM 4, 9 plus 48 by 4 whole divided by mod of minus 4 is 4. So this can be written as 2 root of 48 plus 9 is 57 by 2 whole divided by 4. 2 get cancelled. That is the root 57 by 4. What is this tan theta? Therefore, angle theta is equal to tan inverse of root 57 by 4. In this way, we can find any angle between two straight lines, any given combined equation. Okay, this is one problem. Next problem we will go. Now we will go to discuss on another point, that is, if this is origin, x-axis, y dash. If a straight line if an equation represents a pair of straight lines which are not passing through origin or passing through origin, like this, Then suppose this is L1 is equal to 0 and this is L2 is equal to 0. Then we can draw the angle bisectors. That means a straight line which is bisect the angle. This angle also equal. If we draw a straight line which divides the angle into equal parts, vertically opposite angles are equal, so that this is theta, this complete is 2 theta in that way. And another one is like this also. Suppose this is x degrees, this is also x degrees, this is x degrees, this is also x degrees, this theta. Okay. These two are, we have to find L3 is equal to 0 and L4 is equal to 0. So that means our aim is to find the equations of angular bisectors of straight lines, intersecting lines. Here take, if it is a theorem, let the equations of two intersecting lines are L1 is equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Then equations of angular bisectors. That means acute and obtuse angles are A1 x1 plus B1 y1 plus C1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square is equal to plus or minus A2x plus B2y plus C2 by A2 square plus B2 square under root is equal to 0. By taking plus one time and minus another time, these are the two intersecting lines which are the angular bisectors, equations of angular bisectors. So we have to prove this very easily. Okay. Now we will take proof. Proof is very simply here. If any point on the locus, that means on the angle bisector, let P is a point here. P x1 comma y1 is a point on the locus, that means on the angular bisector. Then it will equidistance from two straight lines, these two straight lines. Okay, let this is M and this is N. Should be. Similarly, if P here, P x comma x1 or x2 y2 is there, then perpendicular distances from this also equal. Okay. In that way, you have to find equations. Now I will take P on L3. L3 lies between, it is in between acute angle. That means L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. Let P x1 y1 is a point on locus, that is angular bisector bisecting line. Okay. Then perpendicular distance from P to L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 are same. That implies PM is equal to PN here. Perpendicular distance. That implies, how can we find the perpendicular distance from any point Px1 to any straight line? Ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0 is a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 is mod of a1x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 by root of a1 square plus b1. By using that, it can be written as a1, sorry, here we don't put. Now PM we have to take. What is the equation of this a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Point is px1. So the perpendicular distance is mod of a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square should be equal to Pn. What is Pn? This is these two, this distance. That means what is the equation? A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. By using that, that is equal to mod of a2x1 plus b2y1 plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square. If we remove modulus, so this can be written as a1x plus b1 a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 by a1 square plus b1 square under root is equal to plus or minus of a2x1 plus b2y1 plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square. Therefore, the conclusion is, instead of x1 we can write, therefore locus, if we bring this right side, it should be equal to 0. That implies a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 by root of a square plus a1 square plus b1 square plus or minus a2x1 plus b2y1 plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square should be equal to 0. That means locus is a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a1 square plus b1 square is plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square should be equal to 0. This is the, by using this formula we can find the angle bisectors equations separately by taking plus one time and minus second time. Okay, separately we can find the combined equation. There is another way to find the combined equation of angular bisectors. Okay, that we will discuss in next class. Okay, now we have to solve some problems regarding on this knowledge which what we have learned. That means angle between two straight lines, finding two separate lines. If combined equation is given, if two separate lines is given, we have to find combined equation. Then angular bisectors equations also we have to find. If lines intersecting lines is given, then we have to find the angular bisectors by using this formula. Okay, bye. Now we will take an example, that is Find the equations of angular bisectors. Bisectors of 2x square plus 6xy. Oh, sorry. Of two separate lines we have to take, so that next first we have to find 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. Find the equation, find the angle between two straight lines. Find the angle between two lines represented by the given straight lines. Okay. Here solution. Already we done a problem. In previous problem we take tan formula. Here we take cos formula. Here given equation is 2x square plus 6xy plus y square is equal to 0. That implies a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, sorry, 2h is equal to 6, the coefficient of x vector. So take cos theta mod of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. By substitute the values, 2 a is 2 plus b is 1 mod of by a minus b, that means 2 minus 1 whole square under root plus 4h square. What is h? That implies h is equal to 3. 4 into 3 square. By 2 plus 1 is 3 by root of 2 minus 1, that means 1 square means 1 plus 4 into 3 square means 9, that is equal to 3 by 4 9 is 36 plus 137 under root. What is this cos theta? That implies theta is equal to cos inverse of 3 by root 37. In this way also we can find the angle between any two straight lines. Combined equation is given. Now we have to find a problem related to equations of angular bisectors. Okay. Angle bisectors. Find the equations of angle bisectors of the straight lines 7x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here two straight lines are given. Let these two straight lines, this is L1 is equal to 0 and this is L2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the equations of this and this. L3 is equal to 0 and L4 is equal to 0. These two equal. Okay. In that way, we have to find the equations by using that. Given solution, given equations of straight lines are 7x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Let this is L1, this is L2. That means a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. That implies a1 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 3. Similarly, a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 1. Therefore, equations of angular bisectors are a1x plus b1y plus c1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 by a1 square plus b1 square is equal to 0. That means you take values 7x plus y plus 3 by root of a1 square plus b1 square. That means root of 7 square plus 1 square plus or minus a2 is second equation L2 x minus y plus 1 by root of the coefficient of x is 1 square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. By simplification, that implies 7x plus y plus 3 by root of 7 square plus 1 square 49 plus 150 root 50 plus or minus x minus y plus 1 by root 1 square plus minus 1 square 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Root 50 is nothing but root 50 can be written as root 25 into 2. That implies 5 root 2. Instead of 50, we can put 5 root 2. For cancellation, for simplification, if we multiply the equation with 5 root 2, that implies 7x plus y plus 3 plus or minus root 2 is there. 5 with 5 we have to multiply the second equation. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 7x plus y plus 3 plus or minus 5x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. Take one time plus and another time minus. That implies 7x plus y plus 3 plus 5x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0, or 7x plus y plus 3 minus 5x plus 5y plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. By simplification, 7x, 5x, 12x, this is y. Y minus 5y minus 4y plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. Or in this way, 7x minus 5x, 2x plus y plus 5y, 6y minus 2 is equal to 0. By simplification, if we divide this equation by 4, this can be written as 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Or here by dividing 2, it will become x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. These are the two required equations of straight lines, which are angular bisectors. Okay. In this way, you have to solve. There is another formula I will explain in further, but I will. If the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, 1 minute. There is a theorem we have to prove, but I will explain. I will write only the formula here. I will explain the next further. If the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is the combined equation given straight lines, if these two straight lines are like this, which are passing through origin, this is x y dash x x dash x. This is origin. If this is combined equation L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0, which are passing through origin given equation. Then combined equation of angular bisectors between these lines are for the angular bisectors of h is equal to 0 or, that means this is also combined equation in combined form. In combined equation form is h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into x. That means if these two straight lines like this is the one of angular bisector, this L3 is equal to 0 and this is another one, this is L4 is equal to 0. The combined equation of, if that means simply I will write, if L3 and L4 are the angular bisectors of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0, then the combined equation of L3 is equal to 0 and L4 is equal to 0 may be taken as is h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy if L1 combined equation of L1 and L2 is h is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square is equal to 0. That means if the combined equation of two straight lines are given homogeneous equation, that means which are passing through origin, then the combined equation of angular bisectors of lines may be taken as h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into x. In that way we have to solve some problems. Okay. Now we will go for problems.